guys. So, this is our day 1 officially in Japan. And ipapakita namin sa inyo kung anong itsura ng tinitirahan naming hotel today. So, good morning guys! Good morning! So, it is our day 1. Papunta kami sa Asakusa today. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Kaminoge. This is how Kaminoge looks like. Yeah. You're so wrong. Oh, ganda, diba? So yun, punta muna tayo sa Kaminoge Station. So we're going to Kaminoge Station para makapunta kami ng Asakusa because we're planning to go to Asakusa and then Shinjuku for today. So see you. I'll edit this later. Bye-bye.
Morning. It's like views.
Sabi niya kanina, good morning. Para kaming nasa MS Teams kanina. Eh ano yun eh,
Yeah, but I thought
intro, tapos morning MS Teams meeting. So working. So yeah, we're walking down the road papunta sa Kaminoge Station. And sasakay kami ng train papuntang Asakusa. Temperature today is 9 degrees. So hindi masyado malamig. Sakto lang.
medyo malamig.
So, we're here at Kaminoge. 9. No. Saan na tayo ngayon? Nakanobu Line. So, papalipat na po kami sa Asakusa. So that we can go to Asakusa. Oh, dyan ba? There. Let's go there. Asakusa, where are you? So, we're going into Asakusa line so we can go to Asakusa. Okay, later Len. Bye-bye. At dumating na kami sa Asakusa. Tinarget agad namin makaakyat ng Asakusa Culture Tourist Information Center since maganda ang view ng Tokyo Tower dito at ng Sensoji Temple. Umakyat kami ng 8th floor sa observation deck. Libreng umakyat dito at magpa-picture and video. Bawal nga lang ang tripod pero ayos na rin dahil napakaganda talaga ng view.
Sky this 8th floor. The door will open.
Ang Tokyo Sky Tree ay kilalang pinakamataas na structure sa Japan noong 2010. Ito ay may taas na 2,080 meters. Ang Tokyo Sky Tree ay may dalawang observation decks na nag-o-offer ng spectacular view over Tokyo. Meron itong 350 meters at 450 meters na nagkakahalaga ng 1,021 pesos sa Klook. Hindi na kami nagpunta dito dahil magsishibuya Sky naman kami bukas. Sa kabilang dako, kitang-kita rin dito ang Sensoji Temple at ang Nakamisedori Street sa gitna ng temple. Ang Sensoji Temple ang pinakasikat at pinakamatandang Buddhist temple na may 5-story pagoda at trails of incense. Binibisita ito ng humigit kumulang na 20 milyon na tao, mapaturista man at lokal taon-taon. So now you know. So, dito kami sa Cameron. Cameroon. Hindi ko alam ang tawag doon. What the fuck? What's the name of this place? Karimanimon?
Kaminori.
Kaminorimon. Wait lang, check ko lang ulit. Isa sa pinakasikat na ginagawa dito sa Sensoji ay itong Omikuji, kung saan mag-aalay ka ng 100 yen tapos makukuha mo yung kapalaran mo sa pamamagitan ng pag-alok ng Omikuji box. Kung anong numero ang nabunot mo dito, may katumbas na kapalaran. Tara, subukan natin.
Let's try our luck.
Siehst du? Wunderbar. Zettelchen.
Ja, jetzt habe ich angefangen. Das
Sulat dito, so babasahin natin. Number 30, medium fortune. An old crane tried to stay on a branch of the high tree to take a rest. We are too weak to defend, just like take off from the shooting arrow at night. Shoot arrow at night can catch any animal. The danger attack you both from back and front. Outside seems to be safe, but be aware of the danger inside. Your request will not be granted. Yeah, it happens already. The patient is hard to get well. The lost article will not be found. The person you wait for will not come. Be careful in building a new house and removal. Do believe the Buddha. To start a trip is bad. Oy, nandito na kami sa Japan. This is our trip. This is not bad. Stop any kind of marriage or employment. So, ang nabunot ko ay bad luck. So, ang gagawin natin pag bad luck is, we need to actually like tie it here. So, since this is bad luck, so we need to tie it here. Look. Only if you drew a bad fortune, please tie it on the rock. Fortunately, it's bad fortune. Wait, let me tie it. So, iiwan po natin dito ang ating bad fortune because it's not welcome into our lives because we are very fortunate every day. So, here's my bad fortune. So, lagi na lang pang MS Teams mga milkers ang high po ng kasama ko dahil namimiss niya nang magtrabaho. So, this one that we brought, the tripod, it's very useful. Sobrang gaganda ng shots na nakuha namin dito. Like, look.